A customer bought something from me, and I am shipping it to them for $24.50. They actually paid $88.00 for it, right? So some people may say, well, why the hell would someone pay $88 when they can just pay $24.50? Here's how Amazon works. Amazon has loyal customers. Think about it for yourself. Amazon has loyal customers. They're not going to go searching somewhere else to see if they can get it cheaper. No, they don't. I have been selling on Amazon for 2 years, made over 6 figures with Amazon. I'm telling you, people shop faithfully on Amazon. They're not going to go and say, oh, let me go find it somewhere else. Most people shop on a cell phone. So this is why I tell you guys, make sure you watch my webinar. Make sure you get involved. I'm showing people how to make money. On Amazon. Dominique, she made $2,400 in the last couple of months. I think So here's my group with one of my students. I could make a good profit from she made about $940, okay? And, she invested, and she damn near doubled her investment in like 60 days. I'm going to show you another one of my students. She started, okay? And she was saying, I can't believe, there she go. She said, I can't believe this Amazon thing really works. I finally sat down and watched all the videos. I'm getting started. Yesterday, I thought I knew it all. After 3 weeks of checking my account, saw 0 sales. I applied your system and searched diligently through all the restricted items to find the ones that I could list. Did that last night, but I forgot to add the quantity. So I did it while I worked today, and I checked my account. And I think she said she made her first sale for $118. Okay, so that's just 2 people that I've helped. I've helped over 200. So here's another one of my students, Dominique. She made about $2,400 in like 90 days. This is profit, okay? 90 days. Here goes another one. Let me go here. She made about $1,000. Her first $1,000 day. She tagged me. I did it, right? So it's all about you, friends, applying the knowledge. Yes, it's a $500 investment, but I just showed you literally 3 people, 4 people that doubled, their investment. See, rich people, wealthy people think about, how can this 500 turn into 1,000? How can this 500 turn into 2,000? How does 500 could turn into 5,000? Broke people say, oh, I don't have the money. I can't do it right now. Right? And then they never move forward because they're thinking about, oh, if I spend 500, then what am I going to do for my bills? Right? If you forward think and you think like the rich and you want to get rich and you want to make a lot of money. If you want to make a lot of money, guys, you got to think like rich people think. Okay? They forward think. If I spend 500 in the next 90 days, how much can this 500 bring me? Because you got to think about it. You may have $500 in your bank account right now. How much money, by you leaving that 500 in your bank account, how much money is that 500 going to bring you in the next 90 days? If you can't answer that question, then you need to invest it so that you can learn how to double or triple or quadruple it in the next 90 days. Plus, I'm showing you how to get cash back. Okay, plus I am showing you how to get cash back. So you guys can see right here. Okay, this is my cash back account. Literally, you can see Walmart. I'm getting cash back from. They just sent me a check. I got another check, on the way, guys. So I'm showing you how, right, to position yourself to make a lot of money. Shopping on Amazon, Okay, this is Amazon. Everybody know what Amazon look like. Amazon has no products. All Amazon do is people like me. I send products in and Amazon sells them for me. Okay, so remember, Amazon started with books. Now Amazon is selling everything under the doggone sun. Okay, I show you how to get cash back. I show you how to position yourself, as an Amazon seller. I show you how to make 30% or more profit. And guess what, friends? There's no sponsoring. There's no recruiting people. There's no hoping and wishing. There's no calling anybody, friends. It's just about you getting new information, right? So that you can make new money. That's what this is about, friends. Okay, that's what this thing is about. So everybody know what Amazon look like. This is what it actually looks like, of course. And people shop on this shit all day long. So go to createmyown.economy.com.